their skepticism to kill her, in essence. Let's start with Jordan Rose, attorney out of Phoenix.
She certainly struck a relationship, and I think because of the jury questions, we know what that relationship is. It is a relationship of resentment. These jurors are resentful that they've had to sit here and listen to her lies and baloney coming out of this woman's mouth. And every single question that they asked was bad for her. It said, do you think we're stupid? And do you think that we buy all this? Could you lie anymore? I mean, there was not one good question in the bunch.
All right,
so that's the relationship. I don't think it helps.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. These jurors clearly are taking their oath very, very seriously, and they've dug in and are invested in this case. Now, one thing that I think is crystal clear from these juror questions is that Juan Martinez got a clear message, and that is you better focus your redirect, your questions, your cross on premeditation and intentional first-degree murder, or guess what? Acquittal across the board.
Oh, well, I don't know about acquittal, but I will say this, Tanya Young-Williams, I was surprised. There were plenty of questions about her fog, which the jurors did not buy, clearly. But they didn't ask a lot about the premeditation aspect, which is why Juan Martinez is coming back and hammering on, oh, yeah, the gas cans and all of this other stuff. Your thoughts, Tanya?
Well, I would say that, I mean, at the end of the day, the two elements that will either save her or kill her, premeditation and domestic violence. And I do think they've touched on premeditation, and he's working on that. But I think it's very strange that they've asked very few questions about domestic violence. That is her defense. Her only defense is self-defense using the battered woman syndrome. It sort of suggests to me that they don't buy it. And if she doesn't have this defense, then you're looking at first degree or second degree. But they're not really believing that this woman was a battered woman. And that's a big, big problem for her defense team.
Let's go to the phones. Jan, Kansas. Jan, Kansas, your question or thought?
Hi, Jane.
Hi.
Listen, I'm going to be quick about this, but my God, is this Norma Desmond in Sunset Boulevard?
I'm ready for my close-up.
Yeah, really. And then I got to thinking, Truman Capote, he would, if he were alive, he'd be in his heyday. But one thing is I haven't heard any body experts today, so I kind of want to know what their take is on her performance. And one last thing that I want to know.
All right, well, guess what, Jan? I'm going to cut you off because you raised a good point. Susan Constantine, body language expert. What do you say about her demeanor on the stand?
Well, today, when she was asked the question about why should we believe you now, you may have noticed that this fear came over her. She started to take a deep breath, and it's like the color just kind of washed out of her face, and her mouth became dry. She had a hard time swallowing. She started to look down, and she was pleading with her hand gestures, and that's all telling me what? She is very fearful. She's losing control. Feels defeated, and at this point in time, she feels she's losing the battle.
Very interesting. I kind of got the same sensation. I think she's finally beaten down, and these questions, it's starting to dawn on her, OMG. And the lady's reference to Truman Capote, obviously in cold blood, another heinous, heinous killing that he wrote a true crime novel about that became like really the first true crime novel and a classic. On the other side, we'll continue to debate it.